Hi guys, so for today's CGI, pick a number and kung ano yung maka-invest, yung ipapaka-order. From order from Maroon. My friends. So, pick number naman. Oh! Here, ilan ba guys? Hindi pwedeng to ano. Guys, pick a number and ilan ba? 7. 7. Guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 or 6. For guys, in the go. Pero yung cards. So, oh. Pero cards. Ang picking number ulit kung ilan is there. So, dami yung dami. So, ito naman. Tika. No. Okay, give this. Tika. Color ito. Ano? Ano? Tika na lang. 4 sticker. Sticker. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4 sticker. And next text. Ayun, pick number. Ayun, pick number. Ayun, pick number. Pick number. So, nakalabas ko ito. Mga 13. 7 talaga. Ano ito? Sige na ulit yung 7. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyway, Bakit siya? Bye, watching.